So what are the three most important parts of an insurance policy? When you buy health insurance, you're going to get this thick packet of paper. It's got a lot of details in it, a lot of legalese and language. Maybe it's even confusing. But in reality, you bought three things. And these three things drive price, they drive everything. The first thing that you bought is a deductible. Well, a deductible, quite simply, is the amount of money that you have to spend before the insurance company spends anything. They don't make you spend this money every time. You don't have to meet your deductible every time, just at the worst times. It's time to get admitted to a hospital. You're going to have a surgery done. A major procedure is going on in your life, and the first thing that's going to happen is going to ask you to pay your deductible. You can buy plans with a low deductible, but get ready. Those can be very expensive. Or you can choose a higher deductible and spend less. The second thing that you get with your insurance is something that Americans love. It is the first thing they talk about when they talk about their health insurance, and it is copays. Copays are simple. They are nothing more than a menu price for a treatment. In other words, you know in advance how much it's going to cost you when you go see your doctor or your specialist, or you're going to go get an x-ray, or you need to go to an urgent care center. The thing to remember is, don't overbuy insurance. The more of the copays that you buy, the more expensive your plan. And remember, you're going to pay for those benefits every single month. So in reality, if you bought a copay, you should be using it every single month. Most people don't go to the doctor every month. You have to answer that question for yourself. The third, in my opinion, the most important part of any health insurance plan is out-of-pocket max. Out-of-pocket max says that once you've spent X amount of dollars, everything else is free. That's right, everything else is free. These are put in plans to prevent you from being in a terrible situation with your health and putting your financial future at risk. We live in a country in which healthcare can be wildly expensive. Of all the benefits that you're going to buy on a health insurance plan, an out-of-pocket max is the single most valuable one. Just think about all the things that could happen to you this year, and think about the great feeling you have because you know you have a plan that's going to cover you in the worst of times.